Hey, this is Dustin. Water heater install day. Got it installed. New water lines. Everything's perfect. No leaks. New water heater. 30-gallon gas. Whirlpool. It's got a Honeywell motor. State of the art. New. Electronic ignition. It's got all kinds of flashing lights and gizmos on it. It's something that I've never had before, so it's going to be interesting learning all about it. New gas line. No leaks. It was fun getting the old one out. Got wet. Now we're just waiting for it to all fill up. And then I'm taking a shower. See ya.